In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change quality in YouTube Music. This is a valuable skill, especially if you want to manage your data usage or enhance your listening experience. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube Music app on your device. When you do this, you will see the familiar interface filled with music recommendations, playlists, and your library. This step is essential because you need to access the app to make any adjustments to your audio settings. If you're using a smartphone, just find the app icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap to launch it. On a computer, navigate to the YouTube Music website in your browser. This initial action sets the stage for all the adjustments that will follow. Next, tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This may seem like a simple action, but it is crucial because it gives you access to your account settings. Once you tap your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu includes options like your channel, purchases, and of course settings. Make sure to locate your profile picture easily as this is your gateway to personalizing your app experience. From there, select settings and then choose data saving. This step is significant because it allows you to control how much data the app uses while streaming music. In the settings menu, you will find multiple options to optimize your data usage. Choosing the right settings here can help you enjoy your music without exceeding your data limit, especially if you're on a mobile plan. Now, tap on either audio quality on mobile network or audio quality on Wi-Fi. Choosing between these options is important because it allows you to customize audio quality based on your internet connection. If you're connected to a Wi-Fi network, you might want to enjoy higher audio quality without worrying about data usage. Conversely, if you're using mobile data, you might want to select a lower quality to save your data. Next, choose your preferred level of audio quality. You will see options like low, normal, high, or always high. This is where you really tailor your listening experience. Low offers 48 kilobits per second, which saves data but sacrifices some sound quality. Normal is the default at 128 kilobits per second, offering a balance between quality and data use. High is at 256 kilobits per second and provides excellent clarity. Finally, always high maintains that clarity even if your internet connection drops or slows down. Selecting the right option here ensures you enjoy your music the way you like it. By following these steps, you can easily adjust the audio quality in YouTube Music according to your preferences and needs. This not only enhances your listening experience, but also helps you manage your data effectively. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your music.